what we're doing today, y'all. Suspension is getting dialed in a little bit today. Rear upper camber arms, rear lower camber arms. We have toe arms. And then in that big box over there, our sway bar just came in. Tomorrow, our sway bar end links come in tomorrow. But today what we're going to do, we're going to try to get these upper camber arms. And then we're going to see if we want to do the rest later. But right now, what we're doing right now is we're trying to unbolt the coilover because
I can't get that bolt out because this is in the way. So we're gonna try to unbolt it from the top mount so that way we can push it down, push this down a little bit and then try to slide it this way so we can get that bolt out. This buddy's gonna go on right here. And I was gonna go on the driver's side. And this is all for the rear. This is a sway bar. Most importantly, there's a Genesis coupe in the lot, Like, oh my God, there's so much we're gonna do, bro. So much. Just got her back and run. I just had to come over here. Like, look at the hook. Tell Miguel to get carbon. We need to get this man to get carbon. You lacking, bro. You need carbon.
Huh?
You need carbon.
I know I need it bad. I thought I was screwing this bolt and I thought I was loosening it. I was tightening it the whole time.
Yes,
oh, and this one's out already. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, hold on. Hold on. My hand is fucking stuck.
Your hand.
Alright, we're good. That's a fucking long ass bolt, brother.
You got it?
Yeah, woo! The coilover's still out though.
Well, that's fine. We need it out because we need to put the bolt back in.
You know what he's talking about? A little breaker bar action.
Nice.
Oh, that snap.
Yeah, that little breaker bar action.
That snaps sometimes.
You thought about doing natural strength? No way. Thing was rusted.
That snap can sometimes be good or bad.
That was the best snap you'll ever hear.
Even the one though? No, I had one that was even crazier.
This bolt's kind of long. This bolt is kind of long.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What happened, brother?
It's pulled away! I'm so fucking smart!
You are. You are indeed. I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him.
Okay. Brother. Now we can adjust Camber.
Now, we'll be able to adjust Camber, correct.
Alright, chat. This is how we're going to assemble this. This goes there. Alright, so it goes like this. Up in there. But we gotta figure out where we want it for the camber.
Is this? Bro. This fucking does not look right.
What do you mean?
What the fuck? Bro. Do you see this?
I mean, there's a little difference in them.
No.
One's bent.
Is it supposed to be straight or bent?
Is that one straight? That one doesn't look straight.
I'm stupid. No, it looks right.
Are you good? Are you good? Are you straight?
No, I'm not. I'm not straight at all.
Chat, we still on this?
We figured it out. It's on.
Right side. Yeah, the left side.
Alright, let's put that shit on.
That bad bitch up in that bitch.
Alrighty, guys. We got it in. We're putting the bolts in now. Can't see anything because Dalton's hairy ass head.
Push.
You said push?
Push. No, I said bush.
Oh, bush.
Actually, hit right here.
That shit was coming after me.
Yeah, like I told you it was gonna happen earlier, right? And you were like, no, it won't come after you. You ready?
Yeah. It doesn't really help anything for the camber
Then
arm.
put the coil in. We know when you come up.
Hold on, I'm trying to line it up.
You're almost there. You're almost there.
All
Oh,
right.
you're so fucking close.
Right there, try it. There you go. Good fucking shit, Dalton.
Yeah.
I was waiting for it.
Had to look away for some satisfaction.
One more.
Maybe.
For good luck. Alright, so we are on the driver's side now. We finally got this in. Old one's out. Now we're just going to tighten these bolts. We're going to test it because the fitment, obviously, we're going to have to play around with the fitment for a little bit in a while. So what's good, y'all? We're back. It's been about, I don't even know, like, I'd say it's been like 4 days since I was last working on the G from the back. I got the rear spring bucket, got that off. I got the camber arm, and then I also got the sway bar off and the sway bar end links. So if you guys can see, that's where this sat before, and this is gonna replace it. We got this down here before, and what's replacing that, this bad boy right here. And I also got rear sway bar, rear sway end links, sway bar end links. That's what we're here for today. Boom. Yes, sir. Everything is off. How you doing, man?
Hey, what's good, bro?
How you doing, dog?
I'm alright.
You sound good, man.
Does she?
Yeah, I could hear from.
You heard me?
Oh yeah, I
From a
knew it was you.
That's good. That's what I like to hear.
Yes, sir.
Talk exhaust, by the way. Just so everybody knows. Ain't nothing done to it at all.
I fucked up when I was taking everything apart. So everything is almost back together.
Yeah.
It's just one last piece.
Okay.
That piece. Just gonna replace this.
Okay.
Right?
You need to get that out.
If you see this bolt right under here,
Yep.
I can't really get to it.
So you need a wrench. Is that what you're saying?
Well, I don't know if a wrench, because
wrench.
it's one of these where there's a fucking.
So take the pin out.
I can't get the pin because the pin is on this side. Spacer is off. We're gonna try to take this CV axle nut off and put a little bit of more gabagoo on there.
That's super sauce.
Yeah, a little bit more gabagoo. The gabagoo. Look at that gabagoo squirting out.
Woo! Love the sound of that. Okay, Miguel. Daddy's ready to work.
Here.
Don't
CV
be
axle
scared.
off.
Don't be scared with it. Hold that
Brother,
bitch.
she's off.
But okay, I know we said butter, but like
She's off.
butter. Hold that bitch.
She's off.
Question for you.
Look.
Is anyone home?
Yeah.
Can I wash my hands?
Inside?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'll
Oh, I appreciate that.
I
Because
got
I
you.
don't want to go in there alone because if you start saying something in Spanish, I'm fucked.
She might well, my mom knows.
It's over for me, bro.
Oh,
I'm
no.
gonna drop on the floor.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Literally.
Oh, it's coming. Here we go, guys.
Bro, that's bad.
What?
You don't have any brakes on your e-brake.
What do you mean?
Is that the pad? Oh, it is the pad. Okay, you might be okay.
All right, chat. Look at the mess. We're back from Harbor Freight.
Hey, man.
This guy's here now, Mr. Justin.
What's up, man?
Can I just
The
your
light!
second phone for the flash?
Yes, I'm using it right now.
Okay, perfect.
He's using a card.
Damn!
Look at that fucking rust,
You know why? Because you drive a G, bro.
Think so? All right, guys, we're back, and we are still trying to take this bolt off. You're lying. We've been trying to cut this bolt. Right. Hold on, let me.
You're lying.
We've been trying to cut this bolt, and if you can see, there's like a fucking slit right through the middle, and we're almost there.
I do not have any.
Um,
I don't either.
and the blade just snapped.
Also broke the flathead of that screwdriver.
And
Yeah, I can't forget that.
and it just broke this. Fuck yeah. Guys, this is what we're dealing with now. So the last bolt, boom. And then literally we can put everything back together after this. Is that one, and then this side. I made sure that this side was ready for when he got back here, so he can just use that bad boy and fucking go to town. Cause he's OSHA certified. I'm not. What's going on? Talk to me.
Damn.
Talk to me. I'm seeing sparks. So cutting something.
Here, you take a look. I'm cutting, but like, am I really?
Am I really? Well, it's because you're getting. What's good, guys? We're back. I don't know how many times we're gonna be back, but to keep you all updated, come look. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Cannot get it out, bro. Look at the other side. Look at that. Cannot get it out. So you know what we had to fucking do? More money.